Hello all, welcome to part 8 of Relative XPath expressions. In this section, I am going to show you how to write relative XPath expressions so that you can navigate directly from a grandparent to grandchild directly. For that, you need to use this symbol known as double forward slash symbol in between of the relative XPath expressions to achieve this. Now, in this session, if you solve these two challenges, then you will understand how to use this symbol for navigating directly from a grandparent to grandchild in XPath expressions. So without any delay, let's solve these challenges here. To solve these challenges, I am going to use this sample website page, that is arunmoteri.github.io. First, let me open the browser and take you to that sample application page, which is on my name, that is first name is Arun and last name is Motori, Motori dot github.io. Once you are taken to this page, right click on this and select inspect option. Then you will get the Google Chrome Dev Tools. Expand all the HTML code here. Select one of the line here, any line you select and say Ctrl F, you'll get this field where you can write your XPath expressions. You can also click on this double arrow here and select selector sub. Then you'll get the editor or field where you can also write XPath expressions. Here or here you can write. Now here observe guys, okay? My intention in this session is to explain how to directly jump from a grandparent tag to grandchild tag by writing the relative XPath expressions or XPath expressions, okay? So assume that I want to locate as part of solving the first challenge guys, navigating from HTML tag to title tag. This first challenge I'm going to show you where I want to locate the title tag. Assume that I want to locate the title tag. So I am writing an XPath expression like this. You can write /HTML /head/title. So this is absolute XPath expression, right? Okay, you can either write absolute XPath expression or relative XPath expression, anything is fine, okay? You can either here write absolute or relative XPath expression. Our intention is to understand how to directly jump from a grandparent tag to grandchild tag using this double forward slash symbol, which is the main learning for us. Whether you write absolute XPath expression or relative XPath expression here doesn't matter. Assume that, okay? Fine. Anyhow, we have written HTML head title and title tag is getting located. Only one element is located. Now here, what is happening in this case? Here we have the HTML, which is a root tag, which is a grandparent tag for the title tag. Okay, what is the relation between HTML and title? HTML is a grandparent tag, title is a grandchild tag. And in between that, we have head tag, who is the immediate parent of the title tag, and title is the immediate child of the head tag. For head tag, immediate parent is HTML. For HTML, immediate child is head. So we are writing HTML head title. This is one way. Now, what I want is, I want to directly jump from HTML tag to the title tag. I don't want to use a head tag in this XPath expression. What to do? If you don't want to use a head tag, what will happen if I remove this head tag like this? If I directly write /HTML/title or double forward /HTML/title, okay? Either absolute XPath expression or relative XPath expression. Let's say if I am writing double forward /HTML/title, will it work? No, it won't work. Even if you write single forward /HTML/title, this also won't work. Okay, anything you use. So how to directly jump from HTML to the title tag? Here, HTML is a grandparent of the title tag. Title is a grandchild of the HTML tag. But in between that, we have head tag. So we have to use head in between, right? Generally. To use head in between, we are using single forward slashes. Okay. To use head in between, everywhere we are using the single forward slash in between of the XPath expressions. Now, if I want to remove this head, then I have to use double forward slash in between and press enter. Is it now locating? Yes, it is locating. Right? Title tag is getting located. From HTML grandparent tag, I can directly jump onto the title tag. This is possible by using this double forward slash. I can use this double forward slash in absolute XPath expressions or relative XPath expressions. Anything is fine. I will convert this into relative XPath expression by adding double forward slash in between in the beginning of this XPath expression. This becomes a relative XPath expression. So even in this relative XPath expression, directly I'm jumping from the HTML tag to the title tag. Title is a grandchild of the HTML tag. But if I put single forward slash, it won't work. Zero elements. Nothing is getting located. Again, if I put double forward slash, so from a grandparent, if you directly want to come to the grandchild, in between of that XPath expression, you have to use double forward slash symbol. Okay? Clear that? Now, next one. Next example or next challenge here is navigating from HTML tag to P tag. I want to show you that. Okay? Here I'll be writing the XPath expression. Either absolute or relative doesn't matter here. It should be an XPath expression. Double forward slash. I'll start with HTML slash. To locate the P tags, You see, to look at the p tag, under the HTML, we have body tag. Under the body tag, we have the p tags, right? So let me refresh here once. Okay, so under the HTML, we have the body tag. We have to go to the body tag. So slash body. Body is the immediate child of the HTML. So we have to use single forward slash. For the body, p tags are the immediate children. So I have to use again single forward slash p. This will locate two paragraphs. You see, they are getting highlighted on the view of the page. Now, what if I remove this body tag and use like this from grandparent to grandchild? HTML is a grandparent of the p tag. P is a grandchild of the HTML. Can I directly write like this HTML grandparent tag for single forward slash p, which is a grandchild? Zero elements will be located. But what if, in place of the single forward slash, if I use double forward slash, can I jump directly from the HTML tag to the p tag here? Grandparent to the grandchild tag. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. This is what I'm trying to explain in this session, guys. Okay. So you can use this double forward slash in between of the XPath expressions, whether that XPath expression is absolute XPath expression or relative XPath expression, doesn't matter. The purpose of using this double forward slash in between of the not anyhow in relative XPath expression, we'll use double forward slash in the beginning of the XPath expression. If you are using double forward slash, that is a relative XPath expression. But in any XPath expression, in between of the XPath expression also, you can use double forward slash to directly jump from or navigate from a grandparent tag to the grandchild tag directly. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.